Hey there. So this video is a continuation of my previous video, so you can go ahead and watch that if you like, of course, right? But then in this one, I am styling my hair, right? I'm starting by putting in fluffy, messy curls and then just putting them in an updo. And I'm just taking you through the process of that and the products that I use. Hey, so I'm back. This is the next morning. I finished late last night. The undoing process. Let's call it that. I finished and lightly detangling it as well. So what's going to happen right now is I'm going to wash it and then I'm going to come back and show you the styling process. So stay tuned. Before I go on, last thing, I just wanted to mention that I am not taking it out of these chunky twists for washing. I'm just going to wash it in them because your girl does not have time. I don't have time, right? If I take it out and wash it, the detangling is just going to be hard and it's going to shrink up very, very fast. Like my hair dries within 3 to 5 minutes of washing it or putting water in it. It's like, it's just crazy. And as it dries, you know, it shrinks up. And I'm not there for the drama. I'm not there for that. I'm not in the mood. Nope. So I'm just going to wash it in these twists. Then I'm not going to condition. I'm not that girl. Yeah, I'm not that girl. I know people tell you to condition your hair, but I do when I have time, but it's not always. Please don't come for me. I'm not saying it's not necessary, but I can count the number of times I've conditioned my hair on my fingers. Maybe on one hand. But don't come for me, y'all. Don't come for me. I just haven't seen the point of conditioning hair yet. So if you know why I should condition my hair, please let me know in the comments below. Okay? I'm back from washing, so I'm just going to show you the products that I use that I'm going to use today. Not that I use like on a daily, but the products that I'm going to use today. So this is my oil bottle. I'm about to fill it up. Okay, not fill it, but I'm just about to add oil. So I'm going to put black seed oil. It has a little already. It has black seed oil and garlic oil, but yeah, I'm going to add black seed oil and garlic oil. All right, the combination of these two oils, well, the smell is amazing. I don't know about the properties, right? But yeah, so I'm just gonna put some. Oops, I need to get a paper towel. Goodness gracious. Okay, let me just use my hands and I'll put the oil in my hair anyway. Okay, so these are the two oils I'm going to put in my hair. I would put shea butter, but not today. This is just something real quick. I'm going to have this style out in a couple of days and I'm going to wash my hair. So I'm not trying to waste my products, you know. But this is the oil combo I'm working with. I would add, I think I would just put Jamaican black castor oil on my scalp. Yeah. So let me take this off, put it on my shoulders because I'm not trying to get my top wet, right? It's cold. Yeah. Okay, let me start with this one. Let me just show you this one and I think I'll do the rest on my own. So I'm going to divide this part into two parts, this part and this part. Yeah. And then finger detangle a little bit. You're going to notice that It's no point am I going to put any comb in my hair, because yeah, it's not necessary. I'm not trying to. And then I'm taking the oil, putting it on my hands, and then this, and then the Jamaican black castor oil. How do I use? Oh, and then the Jamaican black castor oil. Okay, it's open now. Oh yeah, I'm not gonna use a lot because I am running out. So I'm just going to put it on my scalp. Right, and maybe on the length. This is the right. So oh yeah, I wasn't done with the products. This is the other product that I'm gonna use. This Eco Styler gel, the olive one, the olive oil one. So anyway, I'm just going to take a bit of gel and then work it into my hair. I need a bit more at the ends. And right now I'm just trying to get it to clump together like so. Okay, that's what I'm trying to achieve. Because I said, as I said, what I'm trying to do is to curl my hair. So okay. My problem with gels is how flaky they are. They'll make you look like you have dandruff. Well, I do have dandruff, but still they make it look like dandruff when it's not dandruff. My issue right now is I don't have a mirror in front of me. But let me just finish this one, demonstrate this one, and then I'll go do the rest. Guys, I'm afraid that this gel will leave residue on my hair. If it does, my God, what am I gonna do? Right? Anyway, I'm now going to, now that it's, you know, clumped up a little and curled up a little bit, I hope it's visible. Let me do this or this, I don't know. So now I'm going to twist it. I pray this gel doesn't leave residue on my hair. If it does, I am washing it and I don't know what I'm gonna do, honestly. Because sometimes the combination of products that you use might not be so great and it might leave residue. So I am afraid. Anyway, after doing this, I'm going to Bantu knot it. Should I be dividing this into two though? Okay, cool. Let me just continue. Anyway. That's not right. Now this. this is right. This is how you Bantu knot. You twist it and then you do this. Whatever it is, cold. And then now this is a Bantu knot, right? Anyway, so this is how I'm planning to do it. I pray I don't have time for drama. I pray residue, it doesn't leave residue in my hair, and I will be back when I'm done with the rest of my head. So guys, we're now undoing the Bantu Knot-Twistout. And this is the result. I've done half already, and I am blown away because I haven't picked out the hair yet, right? And I already have this much volume. I am mind blown. But things didn't go as planned. I was planning to because like I said, I have to go out tonight, and I washed my hair this morning, and I put the Bantu knots and twists on wet hair. So the plan was to blow dry it, right? Because normally the normal thing is to just let it air dry overnight. By the next morning it should be dry. But because I don't have that kind of time, I have to go out tonight, I decided I would blow dry it. So I was blowing, and guys, I was blowing my hair for over an hour, but it wasn't like dry. It was just the outside part that's dry, and then the inside, because it's like a knot and stuff like that, so the inside was not dry, it's still wet, right? So what I did, or what I'm doing rather, is I'm undoing the I'm undoing the Bantu knots, and then blowing it to dry it up a bit, and then undoing the twists, and then blowing it, and that is fluffing up my hair like this. It's giving me volume, you guys. It's giving me volume. And I think I'm going to be curling my hair this way. I am not going to be letting my hair dry, because guys, it's giving it's giving everything that it's supposed to give, right? Because yeah, right now it's still very wet, but anyway, it's okay. So yeah, let me just undo this. Okay guys, so I finished blowing, and now I'm undoing the twists. Oopsie, what did I do here?